Movement is greater than muscles. With over 20 years in structural integration and bodywork, I help you rediscover how your body is truly built to move, effortlessly, pain-free, and in harmony with gravity. Forget endless repetitions and chasing bigger muscles. Real change comes from quality movement, intelligent posture, and releasing what holds you back. Here you'll find simple, gentle practices, no equipment needed, that make you feel taller, lighter, and more capable every day. You are built to move. Let's make it feel easy and natural. Start with a free 45-minute video consultation. Link in the description. Subscribe now for weekly videos that change how you move and how you feel.